Hello. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the instructional technology tool hypothesis, which allows you to annotate the web with anyone, anywhere. Some of the uses for hypothesis is the ability to create robust discussions based on PDF, readings, or websites. Also, hypothesis gives you the ability to assess a student's ability to analyze a piece of literature. Formats supported in hypothesis are web links, PDF URLs, and it also includes direct integration with Google Drive as well as the files in Canvas. You'll also be able to integrate through Canvas with assignments and modules. And note that because hypothesis is a paid product, we have available robust technical support. Now let's take a look at hypothesis and how it works and how it integrates within Canvas. As I had mentioned, it integrates in through a module or through an assignment. This here is a module integration. These two options here are through assignments. Now I'm acting as one of my students, and let's take a look and see how hypothesis works and what it allows you to do. Let's first click on this introduction to annotation in hypothesis. If I click on this link, you will see that I have integrated a PDF through my files in Canvas. You'll see that George, the student I'm acting as, has already created one annotation, and I can go in and create another simply by highlighting some of the text. Hypothesis will ask me if I want to annotate or highlight this selection. If I select annotate, it pops up in this window, and I can say, as George, something like, I like this. Since this is integrating into my Canvas course, I'll select Post to Dave Playground, and you'll see that that now shows up in this as one of George's annotations. Now, if I go back to this area and look at the assignment, I'm going to load that in a new tab. Same menu pops up with an article that I have uploaded. You'll see George has made a comment as well as his classmate Carrie. This is another example of a PDF that is coming from my files area in Canvas. Now if I go back one more time to this third assignment, this is integration that I have made with a website. So I found an article on the Chronicle of Higher Education that I wanted the students to interact with. And you'll see now acting as George, you see he already has one annotation made. And I can make a similar annotation just like on a PDF. You'll see you also have some formatting options available to you for anyone making an annotation. You can also add tags for easier finding. So if you have a list of tags of content that you want them to associate with a particular assignment, you can use those in advance, and then the students can tag those to make it easier for their peers to find the information based on those tags. So if I am ready to go, I'll click on Post. And you'll see now that I have two annotations from George, one from Carrie. If George would like to comment on what Carrie had to say, he can click on her annotation. It brings me to what she has annotated, and now George can click on Reply and make a response to Carrie. Obviously, you'd want to make something more, they would be creating things more robustly than this. This is just for demonstration. So you'll see George here can reply to Carrie's annotation and click on Post, just like when he made his initial annotations on the project. And then you, as an instructor, have the ability, so if I stopped acting as George, now as the instructor, you can go in to SpeedGrader, since this is an assignment, and see what George has made comments on. So he has made his own annotations. He has also added a reply to someone else's annotation, and you can see what that looks like, and then go in and assign a grade, add any comments. And so hypothesis also includes the ability to engage directly with SpeedGrader in Canvas. Thank you for watching this brief introduction on the instructional technology tool hypothesis. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about what hypothesis can do or how you integrate it into Canvas. My email address is eds2f@virginia.edu. Thank you for watching and have a great day.